Sunday and we're headed to the F1 race in Imola. We're at the train station now, but we have like an hour to kill because we got here early. I didn't vlog much yesterday just because we left Positano. We were on the train most of the day and then we just went out for dinner here. And now it's race day. So we're excited. This is our first race. Anton's probably more excited than me because he actually watches the races. I don't. Sorry.
Who's your favorite driver?
My favorite driver is Charles Leclerc, just because.
Just because you're in Italy.
Charles Lee. I don't even think I said that correctly. Leclerc.
Basically.
Because TikTok. Because of TikTok. But anyways, most of our
She's a
family.
Lewis Hamilton fan.
No, I'm not. I just know mostly everybody likes Max Verstappen, but because we're here and we're in Italy, we're Ferrari fans today.
I don't know what you are. I'm a Ferrari fan. Yours does not.
I got
say
this
Ferrari.
hat from my sister because it matched, and it's from. I think it's from. It's just like.
Monaco.
Yeah, but it wasn't from the actual race. So, anyways, here we go.
Question number 4. This is about Senna make his official Formula 1 debut.
He's third. That's him. They didn't have the halo yet. They had What's happening?
I'm scared.
Put your hand down! Put your hand down! It's like skydiving.
Yeah, it is.
Couldn't breathe.
I was like.
So this tower is about 2,000 years old. It has different kind of drawings on there. Oh, you can't see very well. It's all carved up about the victories of one of the Roman generals.
Today is our last day and we're in Rome. We came into Rome yesterday and kind of explored the town. I don't know if I vlogged some things, but I didn't like talk into the camera. So here we are today. We just toured the Colosseum and now we're touring Palatine Hill and the Roman Forum. And then we're gonna go down to Vatican City and see some things there. And that'll kind of be our trip. We'll take you on our little adventure today. It's later on in the day and we're at St. Peter's Basilica now. Unfortunately, we didn't make it in because we ran out of time. Anyways, today's just been a long day with lots of tours and lots of things to see in such a short amount of time. We're trying to squeeze it in, but didn't quite make everything. Tired. We walked like almost 200,000 steps in these, so we are done though.
I can speak English. I don't understand.
Signing off. I might just show what else we do, but honestly, we're tired, we're done. What a trip!
Lovely trip.